You an insurance agent looking to generate more leads online? In this video, I'll show you how to create a high-converting landing page in Systeme.io that helps you attract potential clients and collect inquiries. Step 1. Log into your Systeme.io account and click Funnels. Click Create, name your funnel Insurance Lead Funnel. Choose Build an Audience and click Create. Open the opt-in page and click Edit Page. Step 2. Choose a professional landing page template. Replace the default headline with a clear offer, such as "Get a free insurance quote in minutes," or "Protect your family with the right insurance plan." Add a short description explaining how you can help visitors choose the right insurance coverage. Step 3. Customize your landing page by adding a professional photo, your agency logo, 3 to 5 benefits of working with you, customer testimonials or reviews, an opt-in form asking for the visitor's name, email address, and phone number, a call to action button, such as "Get my free quote" or "Request a consultation." Keep the layout simple and focused on generating leads. Step 4. Create a thank you page. Thank visitors for submitting their information and explain the next steps, such as when you'll contact them or how they'll receive their quote. If your email service is configured, you can also send an automated confirmation email with helpful insurance information. Step 5. Preview your landing page on desktop and mobile devices. Submit a test inquiry to confirm that your form works correctly and that all buttons lead to the right destination. And that's it! You've created a professional landing page for your insurance business in Systeme.io.